Welcome to Kenton Teaches. Enjoy the video.
You start by ensuring system updates won't block tools. Run sudo apt update and sudo apt upgrade. Once done, open GNOME settings from Activities or run GNOME Control Center in a terminal. Make sure you know whether you need display scaling or font adjustments. These live in displays and region and language. This first step primes the environment so changes persist. Now that settings is open, move directly to the Appearance and Accessibility panels to locate font size and scaling options. You now change the actual font size. In Settings, try Accessibility right arrow large text or text scaling for quick results. If you need finer control, install GNOME Tweaks with sudo apt install GNOME Tweaks and open it. Then, in Tweaks, choose Fonts and Edit Interface, Document, Window, and Monospace sizes, enter numeric values or use the slider. Once you pick sizes, make sure to click Apply where required. These tools let you balance readability and layout without rebooting immediately. Finish by logging out and back in so the desktop fully applies font changes. Alternatively, on X11 press Alt plus F2, type R and enter to restart GNOME Shell. If font still looking correct, inspect ~/. Config/font config for overrides and rebuild caches with fc-cache fv. For UI element size issues, enable fractional scaling in Settings right arrow displays to smooth proportions. If problems persist, revert edits and test one change at a time to
Thanks for watching. Please subscribe if this video was helpful.